Writing task 2. Topic is: the news is an important source of knowledge for all of us about the world, especially in the era of technology. Journalists are mainly responsible to bring this news to us, but not all of them are true to their responsibilities and ethics. How much can we trust the journalist? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own experience or knowledge. Write at least 250 words. Model answer. Today, with the accessibility of the internet, we can easily get the latest news on our electronic device to know what is happening worldwide. Although I believe that most of the journalists have been asked to have integrity and courage regarding their job before they are qualified, we cannot completely trust them. In this digital age, the competition in the journalism industry is becoming much more fierce than even before. In order to stay ahead of their counterparts, some journalists may report the news which they did not double check or even fabricated. What is more, it is still possible for some journalists to make clickbait news to attract attention from the public, which enables them to get payback from the internet traffic. Therefore, how to distinguish reliable information is becoming increasingly vital for us because we cannot rely on every news we come across. However, I believe that there are still numerous honest journalists who present the truth to their readers and have courage and integrity. They take their profession as a responsibility to the peoples and are not scared of danger and threats. They even take risks and carry on tough jobs to show the truth to the audience. Such journalists are doing excellent jobs to make the world a better place. In conclusion, it will be better for us if we can do some cross check to make sure the news we read is reliable because in this day and age fake news is ubiquitous. Numerous outstanding journalists are still working to reveal the factor to the ordinary public, but we should not trust every journalist as not all of them are honest and maintain the standard and ethics. Vocabulary words: fierce, angry, aggressive, and frightening, very strong and violent. Next, fabrication. Fabrication is something made up that is false or not real. Clickbait. Content whose main purpose is to attract attention and encourage visitors to click on a link to a particular web page. Ubiquitous, seeming to be everywhere or in several places at the same time, very common. Reveal, to make something known that was secret or unknown before, to show something that was hidden before.